Word of the Lord came. The word of the Lord that came into her city, the son of Miriam, the day of Uzziah, Jotham, Azza, and Hezekiah, the king of Judah, and in the days of Jeroboam, the son of Joash, king of Israel. The reading of the word of the Lord of Hosea, and the Lord said unto Go, take unto thee a wife of whoredoms and children of whoredoms. For the man hath committed a great whoredom and departed from the Lord. So he went and took Gomer, the daughter of Zibleam, conceived and bare him a son, and the Lord said unto him, call his name Jezreel, for yet a little while, and I will raise a better Jezreel from the house of Jehu, and I will cause to cease the kingdom of the house of Israel. And it shall come to pass that day that I will break the bow of Israel in the valley of Jezreel. And she conceived again and bare a daughter. And God said unto him, call her name Rahumah, for I will no more have mercy upon the house of Israel, but I will utterly take them away. But I will have mercy upon the house of Judah, and I will make him by the Lord their God, and I will not save them by bow, nor the sword, nor by battle, nor horses, nor by the horsemen. Now when she had war, Lo-Ruhamah, she conceived and bare a son. Then she said, God his name Lo-Ammi, for you are not my people, and I will not be your God. For the number of the children of Israel shall be a sign of the sea, which cannot be measured nor numbered, and it shall come to pass that in the place where it was said unto them, you are my people, there it shall be unto them, you are sons of the living God.